Friends, I'm here at the Ringing Rocks in Montana. In the distance we see a pyramidal structure and two Sphinx facing each other. They could be two chiefs, but from here they look like Sphinx panning across the valley. Multiple structures. But this Ringing Rocks, very interesting. Let me see if I can hit something and do a camera. What we are standing on is a pile of what I've been calling wing tech. The natives would use these. They would mount these to the top of their chief's feathers, and throughout these valleys, all these echoes I've been